Hello everyone, in this Blender tutorial I will make the lightning effect for this tutorial which I made in my last tutorial. In the last tutorial I made this raining, so in this tutorial I will just create the lightning effect in this tutorial. So let's start it. So add mesh, and we can also switch on this screencast key, add mesh. Then we can just add one cube or whatever, or cylinder is also good. So we can just make it 0.1 radius, and this depth is 1, and we can just drag it to the back side area, and we can click on the edit mode, and we can select the upper area for this cylinders. We can also switch on the 6-ray mode and click C on keyboard and select the upper area. Now we can just E to extrude it, and we can move it like this. Again E to extrude it, and we can move again E to extrude, and like this. For example, this the lightning is now almost done. We can again I click A in keyboard to select the whole this light, and shift D. So I make a duplicate of this, and we can bring it a little bit out, and we can just move it. But this is one object because we did duplicate it in the object edit mode. So now we're going to object mode, then just go to this material tab and add new material, new. But this is should be principal between this should be emission, and the emission we can make it 50 or 60 like that. But we also need to change this. We can click on this button, this tab, and this bloom effect should be on. Now we can, so this light is now we already created, so we want to use it now. So for that purpose we can just move this little bit up, and we can come to this, and we can click on this light and click on this tab, and we can make it 0, and also click on this tab. So now we make here one keyframe. So in 30 or 32, 33 we can just again we needed to make it 0. This should be 0 again, and after that, after creating this one, we need another one here. For example, for 1 second or like that, we need this again now 1, and we can create here one like this key, and again we should go to, for example, 35, and we can make it 0, and after 0 we can create this key here. So now if you see, it is like this. From this area we do not have, and here for just 1 second like that we have lightning. So we need this to copy, so we can just click somewhere, so the all are now white, this key. Now we can click on C to select only these 3, and just Control C in keyboard, and if we need it anywhere we can just Control V, paste it. So that will be the lightning effect, and we can check it. And you can use it like this, and you can make your own lightning. So now we can just play it, and you will see this lightning is appear. Yeah. But if you want this light to be more visible, so I already made this cube, so this is also visible. I create this I put emission on this, so that's also affecting the light, so we can move it little bit away. And if you want more effect, okay, we should also be in this render mode. Now we can play it, so you will see the lightning effect. And we can also, if you want to remove the so I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and you can also make like this. And thanks for watching.